Okay. So what were we doing in the last class? We've started fractions. Do you remember in maths? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
we had to complete question number 2, 3, and 4. Have you all done that?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
difficulty? Any
I did
difficulty?
2 and
Pardon?
ma'am, very easy.
Okay, very good, Mohammed. I'm happy that you thought it is easy. So 2, 3, and 4. Everybody is completed. Any doubt in any sum? Anything that you're not able to do? You want me to do for you? Is there anything like that?
No, ma'am.
Shamila, Shiza, any doubt, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So can we move to the next question? Question number 5. Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So without wasting much time, we will start with question number 5. And here they say each fraction in a pink star has an equivalent fraction in the blue star. We are supposed to match them. Match each pink star with a correct blue star. There should be one blue star left over, and which is that? So first thing that we will do is first we will try to reduce the pink star to the lowest and then try to match it up. Are you getting what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will try to reduce it. Now, for example, if I start with this pink star, I know the table that is common is 25. So 25 threes are, and I can say 25 fours are. Do you agree?
Yes.
So do we have a common or do we have a blue 3/4 star? We do have. So this is that star. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I move to the next pink star and that is 1/5. So I will have to look for something like that in a blue star, 1/5. So 1/5, let
2
me look.
upon 10.
Pardon?
2
2
upon 10
upon
can be
10.
reduced.
Yes, yes,
One.
you're right, Ayan.
One ones are, one
Two,
twos are,
yeah.
and no.
2 ones are, 2
Yes,
ones
and
are,
2
and
fives are.
2 fives are.
Yeah.
Correct. So we can match this star here. And then I move to the third pink star, that is 1/20. 1/20 will be 5/100. Because 5 ones are and 5 20s are is 100. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now the next one is 55/100. So I need,
11/20.
oh wow. 5 11s are and 5 20s are. So it's going to be 5 11s are and 5 20s are. Now only one pink star is left and that is 4/10. So 4/10. Where will it match? 2
2
twos
upon
are,
5.
yeah, 2 twos are and 2 fives are. So I'm going to get a 2/5. I'm going to match it with 2/5. Now they said one blue star should be left over.
Ma'am, 1/5 is not done.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
it
is
is
done.
done.
No,
It's done.
1/5 is done with
Yes,
2/10. So let's check.
Ma'am, there's 2 star left.
See, we have done this one with this one. So it's done. Then
Yes.
we have this one done with this
There are
one.
3 left.
Yeah, that's what. Because then they will have equivalent stars. This one is been done with this one. Correct? This one is done with this
No,
one.
ma'am. 1/5 was done with 4/5.
4
No,
upon
no,
10.
no, you are right.
4
Sorry.
upon 10, na beta?
Yes.
Because 2/5 is 4 upon 10, no? So now 6 upon 10. So 6 upon 10 will be 3/5. Yes or no? These two will
Yes,
also
ma'am.
meet.
Yeah, ma'am.
But then they are both blue. There might be some mistake then. 3/5. Maybe they are
Maybe
color.
we are
Yeah.
color blind or they
No,
put
they
the
might
wrong
have,
color.
by mistakenly, they are
Ma'am,
colored.
Put the wrong color.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
yes. That is supposed to be pink, I think.
Yeah, this was supposed to be pink to match it up with this.
64 upon 100.
So yeah, the one that is left is 64/100. Okay, and they have asked us to reduce
Can we
it.
reduce you?
Yeah.
Can we reduce it?
Yes, we can.
We can?
We can start with 2 times table. Or
Oh,
we
yeah.
can start with 4 times table also. If
Yeah.
you know. 4, how many is 64? 16s are.
Yeah.
Yes.
And 425s is 100. Correct?
Yes.
So
Yes.
if
Yes.
you don't know directly 4 times, we can start with 2 times. First, if I do with 2 times, I get 36. Am I right?
Yes.
And then here in the denominator, I get 50.
50.
Then again I do with 2s. So what do I get? 36 will become what?
36.
Ma'am, you divided 64 with 2, right?
2.
Right now?
Yes.
Then it will turn to 32,
32.
no? How?
Sorry. 32. Yes. And then it will be 16.
Then it
Then
will be
it
60. Yes. And then
Wait, I'll do that.
mm,
It will be 32 and 50. And then this 32 will become 16. And 50 will become 25. If you know 4 times table, then directly you will get 16 and 25. Everybody is getting what I'm doing? Are you all understanding?
yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Anybody has a doubt of how I'm getting 16/25?
No.
Okay, that's nice. So with this, we are done with question number 5. Anybody has doubt related to question number 5? Tabish, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I clear the screen?
Yes.
Okay, now we are looking into question number 6. Harsha says, I am thinking of a fraction that is equivalent to 3/7. The numerator is bigger than 20 and the denominator is smaller than 50. What can that number or the fraction be? 3/7. 21. Can I take 21 bigger than 20? 7 3s is 21 and smaller than 50. 49.
Yeah.
So 7 3s will be 21 and 7 7s will be 49. So I will get 3/7 if I cut this. Correct? Everybody, are you
Yes.
understanding? So what fraction is she thinking of? She is thinking of 21/49. 49.
And I'll tell you a funny thing at the end of the class, ma'am.
Okay,
A funny thing.
we'll be waiting for that funny thing.
It's not a joke, I guarantee.
Okay. Can I erase and move further? Now we are going to learn about writing the following decimals as fraction. Okay. Now this is the most easiest part that you can do. Write the following decimals as fraction. You know, if there is one digit after the dot, then you have to divide it with 10. Am I right? If you have two digits after the decimal, then you can write the same number as divided by 100. Okay. If you have 3 digits after the decimal dot, then you can write the same as divided by 1000. Are you understanding what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but when we are doing fractions and when we are talking about writing it as a fraction, we should know that we have to reduce it to the lowest form. Like for example, 0.7 is going to be 7 upon 10, but we cannot reduce it further. It cannot be cancelled
Yes.
further. So we will
Because
write it
7 is
as
there.
7 upon 10 only. Okay. But look at the other number, 0.26 or 0.26 can be written as 26 upon 10. But 26 upon 10 can be divided by 2 or can be cut by 2 to get 13 upon 50. So if you are asked to write the following decimal numbers in their simplest form, then you have to reduce them. Is it very clear? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay. 0.045 will be 45 upon 1000. 45 upon
Yes.
1000 can be reduced to 9 upon 200, and that is why we will write the answer as 9 upon 200. Okay. Now this is solved examples. We will move to the exercise so that we know how to go about it. Okay. Now, acha ye bhi worked examples hai, solved examples hai. So we'll do one thing I will not do, or should I teach you and then we can do 7.21 and 2 both together. Now see, solved example, write the following as percentage as fractions. We have to write these percentage as fractions. What is 5%? 5% means
5 upon 100.
5 upon 100. Can I reduce 5 upon 100? Yes, I can.
Yes.
5
Yes.
times table. So I will get 1 upon 20. Okay. Same way, if I talk about 83%, that means I'm writing 83 upon 100. I cannot reduce it further, so I will keep it as it is. Okay. If I have to write 20%, 20% means was 20 upon 100. I can reduce it to 1 upon 5 because both the numbers 20 and 100, both the numbers go in 5 times table. So I get 1 upon 5. Is it very clear?
Yes.
Now see here what they have asked us. Write 20% as a fraction. So if you have to write as a fraction, you'll write 20 upon 100 and then 1 upon 5. If they ask you to write it as a decimal, then what will you do? 20%. This is actually not correct here.
20 out of 100.
20 upon 100.
20
Okay,
out
0
of.
0.2. 0 0.2 because it will be 0 0.20, no?
Yes.
See, 20 upon 100, if I have to write as decimal, because I've got 2 zeros down, my units after decimal are going to be 2, correct? So 20 upon 100, if I have to write it in the decimal form, I'm going to write it as 0 0.20. 0 0.20. And it can also be written as 0 0.2. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any doubts here, Advait? Okay. Now we are going to do the exercise.
Since more than all of you guys.
Good, very good.
What?
I've learned fractions too many times. How will I forget this?
Okay. Write these decimal numbers as fractions in their simplest form. So we'll do just few of them here and the rest you can do as homework. Okay. Like for example, if I talk about 0.3, what is it? Can I say 3 upon 10?
10?
10.
Can I reduce it further?
No.
So the answer will be 3 upon 10 for the first one. Now look at the other 0.9. How can I write it? 9 upon 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I reduce it further? No. So I will keep it as it is. 0.2 will be 2 upon 10. Can I reduce it
10.
further?
Yes.
1 upon 5.
5. Correct. So my answer in the simplest form for 0.2 is 1 upon 5. So you will write it like this. But your final answer will be 1 upon 5. You cannot write 2 upon 10 and expect teacher to give you full marks. She will definitely cut your marks because you've not written it in the simplest form. So you have to always see whether you can cut it further or not. Okay.
Now, if it was not written, if it was written, write these decimals into numbers as fractions, then we can write 2 upon 10, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then 0.6 will be 6 upon 10, which will be 3 upon 5. 0.8 will be 8 upon 10, which will be 4 upon 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 0.17 will be 17 upon 100, which you can't reduce further. You're going to keep it as it is. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Now from G to O. Tell me any sum you want me to do. I will do. Others will be homework. Tell me which you want me to do from G to O.
I.
0.17.
That is F. I
That's
is
easy.
0.042.
0.07. That means what is it? 7 upon 100. Can I reduce it further? No, I cannot reduce it further.
No,
So I'm going
because
to
7
write
is
it
there.
as it is. 7 upon 100. This was the I sum that I did. Okay. Any other sum you want me to do? 0.042, which means it is 42 upon 1000. Correct? Can I reduce it further?
Yeah, you can, but it
Yes,
will
I
take
can
very long.
reduce it further. I can divide it by 2. When I divide it by 2, what do I get? 21 upon
500.
500.
520, 21. Yes.
Can I reduce this
521.
further?
With 3 table.
No, I cannot reduce this further. So I will keep it as it is. Any other sum you want me to do? You all will be able to do, correct? Can we move to the second question?
Ma'am, 0.17, 17 upon 10 only, right?
17 upon 100. 0.17 will be 17 upon 100. Because after decimal you have two places. So 2 places indicate that there are 2 zeros down. 3 places indicate there are 3 zeros down. Do you understand?
Okay. So the 17 is like 2 numbers, so that's why, right?
Yes.
So in the K1 below it, 193, so it will be 1000.
Yes.
Okay.
Anybody has doubt? You have to check the number of places after decimal. So if I have 2 places, then it's going to be 100. If I have 3 places, then it is going to be 1000. Is it very clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we go to the second sum now? The second one says
Yes.
write these percentages as fractions. Okay, so if I have to write it as fraction, it will be 9 upon 100,
Yes, ma'am.
27 upon 100, 81 upon 100, 69 upon 100, 11 upon 100. This is how you're
Why
going
it
to
can't be 11 upon 50?
because percentage, no, percentage is always upon 100, no, so it is going to be 11 upon 100.
Because out of 100 you got this many.
Percentage is always out of 100.
I know that much.
Then why it is not 11 upon 50, you said, na? How it can be
Yeah.
50? Because you can't reduce it further, no? 11 and 100 both don't go in the same table.
110 goes.
110.
No means I am saying. You said right, 111 don't go
Yeah,
in the same table.
yeah. So you're going to write 11 upon 100, 69 upon 100, 81 upon 100.
9 upon 100 can be reduced.
In what? By what? 4.5 upon 50. Which
No,
table
it
will
can't
9
be.
and 100 both go?
No, it can't be,
It
ma'am.
will not. It will not go. And you know, one more thing, they have not asked you to write it in the simplest form. They have only asked you to write it as a fraction. So you need not reduce it. Is it very clear till here? Till the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Tabish, are you with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting it well?
Yes.
Okay. Now look at the third question. What does the third question tell us? Use the numbers from the box to complete the following. You have to take the numbers from here. Okay. Now 0 0.5. 0 0.5 means 5 upon 10. Am I right? Yes or no? Are you all understanding what I'm doing? 0.5. 0.5 can also be written as
5 upon
0.50.
10.
Can I write it as 0.50 also?
No.
Yes.
Why,
Do
ma'am?
you remember 20 upon 100 when we did? What did we write it as? 0.2. Because we said the 0 that is after the 2 does not matter.
Okay.
Correct?
So
So
if it's
if
like 1,
it
2, then
is,
it will be counted.
yeah, 0.5 can also be written as 0.50 and 0.50 can be written as 50 upon 100, which means I can write it as 50%. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let us move to the next one. What does the next one say? 3 upon 10. How do I write 3 upon 10 as?
0.2.
0.3. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is understanding what I'm doing? What is this 75? 75% means 75 upon 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 75 upon 100 means 25 का टेबल में दोनों जाएगा. 25 threes are and 25 fours are. Yes or no? Can I say 3 upon 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all understanding what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has doubt in this? Mohammed, are you understanding?
Yes.
Now 0.1. How can it be written as? 1
1
upon
upon
10.
10.
12%. What is
0
12%?
0.12.
0.12. Because 12 upon 100. 12 upon 100 means 0.12. Getting me?
Yes.
Now tell me, can I write 4 upon 5 as 80%?
Yes.
Yes, I can definitely write 4 upon 5 as 80%. Because 4 upon 5, if I write 80 upon 100, I still get 4 upon 5. 80% means 80 upon 100. Is it very clear till here?
Yes.
Done.
Very good. Are you all understanding it
we've done
also
before.
simultaneously? Can I erase it?
Ma'am, erase it.
Yes. Mohammed, easy or difficult, beta?
Easy, easy.
Easy. Okay. Now looking at the fourth question. Where is it gone? Okay. In the game of dominoes, players lay out the dominoes end to end. The touching ends must be the same number, even if it is not in the same form. For example, these 3 dominoes could be arranged like this. 0.2, what does it mean? 0.2 can be written as 1 upon 10 because it means 2 upon 10 or 20 upon 100. How can we write this? See, the first number
2
does
upon
not
10.
matter. See, the first number does not matter. The last number matters. 1 upon 10 means what? 0.1. And 70% means what? 0.7.
0.7.
So what are we to be concerned about? We should be concerned about the last number. I hope you are understanding. Yes. Now work out to arrange these 10 dominoes end to end. That means you have to look at the last number here. 3 upon 4. What can 3 upon 4 be connected to? Can I say it can be connected to 75%? 75 upon 100?
Yes.
Yes. Now let us look at 2 upon 5. Where can I connect this 2 upon 5 to? What is 2 upon 5? Tell me. Can I connect it to 0.4?
0.9 will be.
0.4 because 4 upon 10. Correct?
Yeah.
4
Yeah.
upon 10.
Yeah.
4 upon 10 can be 2 upon 5. Now I need to connect this 0.4 to something. 0.4. Can it be
0.2.
connected to? No. Can it be connected to 40? Because 0.4 means 40 upon 100.
Yes.
0.40. 0.40 means 40 upon 100.
100. 0.4 means 4 upon 10.
4 upon 10. See, you have to understand whenever we are talking about percentage, 0.4 can be also written as 0.40, which means it is 40 divided by 100. Am I right? 40 divided by 100 can also be written as 40%. Do you get me, Bacha?
Yes.
Ayan, Advaid, Mohammed, Saqib, Tabish. Any doubt related to this?
Ma'am.
Nope.
Okay. Now look at 1 upon 2. If I talk about 1 upon 2, where can I relate it to? 1 upon 2. Can I relate it to 50%? 50 upon 100?
How, ma'am?
50 upon 100. 50% means what?
50% means 1 upon 2.
50.
1 upon 2 is literally the 50%.
Yes.
The
50%.
50% fraction.
Yes. So 51 and 50. So 1
And
upon
1 upon 4 is
Yeah,
quarter
okay.
percent fraction.
Yes. Now, if I talk about 4 upon 5, where can I relate this 4 upon 5? I can relate it to 0.2. No. 80 upon 100. I can relate it to 0.8.
Ma'am, 0.8 you can.
0.8. Because it's going to be 80. 80 upon 100.
Correct.
And 1 up 0.1. Where can I relate 0.1 to? 1 upon 10 or 10 upon 100. 10 upon 100. Tell me.
1
If we are
upon
not
5.
get, yes.
1 upon 5.
Nope.
No, it is going to be 1 upon 10 or it can be 10 upon 100. So 1 upon 10 aana chahiye as the first number. See, if we are not
Ma'am.
getting for this, we should look for something which is going to be a domino piece for the further ends, if not the last ends. So if we can connect these things there, like for example, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can be 25%.
Yes.
Yes.
Here. Correct? 0.6.
Yes.
0.6 will be connected to
40. No.
No.
3 upon 5.
3
Yes.
upon 5. Where is 3 upon 5?
Beside 9 upon 10.
Yes, here. Yes, got it. Got it. And then see, this 9 upon 10 can be connected to this.
Yes.
So we've got the domino.
30%.
30% and 1 upon 5 is remaining, no? So we need a connect to that.
And
Ma'am, this is
0.1 is
also-
also remaining.
Yeah, 0. And 0.2 is also
Yeah,
remaining.
this part is remaining and this is remaining, no? We need to connect these two.
And 0.1.
0.
Ma'am, and 0.1. Yes.
We need to
Ah.
these two. 0.2.
Oh.
0.2 will be 20 upon 100. 20
Let's
upon
bring back
100
our
will
old
be 1
friend,
upon
ma'am.
5, no?
Ma'am, should I bring back our old friend?
See, got it. 0.2 is 1 upon 5,
Yeah,
not
yeah, I
20
get
upon
it.
100.
Yes.
So we've got the starting point and we've got the ending point. So our dominoes are connected. 30% in air, 0.1 in air on the other side. Yes, Advait. Hello.
I bought back our old friend.
Yes. Now, do you understand how I connected the dominoes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It starts from here, 30% in air. That means the first part, which will have no relation. 1 upon 5 will be connected to 0.2. 0.2, the other part is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 connected to 25%. Then the other part is 0.6. So it is connected to this domino. And then after this domino, it is connected to this domino. After this domino, it goes here. After here, it goes here. From here, it goes on to this. Why am I doing it again? It is moving here. After this, it is moving here. Okay. And then where does it go?
Ma'am, I think you went wrong. First is
Where?
like 3 upon 4 to 75, 2 upon 5 to 0.4, 0
Yeah.
0.4 to 0.4, then
Yes.
0.4 to 40, then
Yes.
40 to 1, 2, then after 1, 2 to 50, 100, I mean 50%, then after 50% to 4.5 equals 0.8, then 0.1 we haven't done.
0.1 we've done, no?
No, look, it's left, no lines are
See,
connected.
this is connected to here, no?
Ma'am, 30% is also not done.
30% and 0.1. These two are going to be in
Okay.
air because it's going to be the starting and the ending point.
Okay.
And the others will be connected.
So, 1 second, I'll write it down.
Just take a
0.1
screenshot and write it later if you want to, because it's
equals.
already 10:40.
No, I want to tell. And then 0 point equals 30, then 1 upon 5 equals 0.2, 1 upon 4 equals 25, 0.6 equals 3 upon 5, 9 upon 10 equals 0.9, and done.
Yes. Everybody's taken a screenshot or written it down?
Ma'am, I've written it down, but it's like exactly not lines. I wrote it down in a different way. Wait.
Okay.
Let's see. 1 second. Look.
Okay. The fifth question we will do in the next class. Yeah. And I end my class for today here. Bye-bye.
Bye now.